always showing the working in this space. These are already, I have finished them. So I'll go to the pencil, the pen, and these are already done. And well, okay, so this is the problem. We are looking at a rectangle uh, with this is the width, this is the length, and we are about to start video. I believe this is video 8. Okay, so this is a typical question from MCAT. It's quite a challenging question for your teen students. The area is given as 132, so you got to read the question in square centimeters, and this is the equation given to you. You got to solve, and eventually you'll have to find out the length and width of the rectangle. So okay, first of all, you got to remember, perhaps we talked about it in the classroom. For any kind of equation solving in algebra, this side, the right hand side, should be always 0. Right hand side should be always 0. If not, we got to do some rearrangement and simplification. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to expand x plus 1 and x plus 2. So expanding is right foil, and that'll give me x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2. And if we simplify that, that'll give me x squared 3 plus 3x plus 2. Now back to the equation, x squared plus 3x plus 2 should be equal to 132. And at the onset, at the beginning, I said we got to sort of switch it over, that 132, to the left hand side, and that'll give me x squared plus 3x plus 2 minus 132 equal to 0. And if I simplify that, that'll give me x squared plus 3x minus 130 equal to 0. 130 is quite a big number. Now, if you can recall, in one of the videos, I went through the pairs of prime factors. Let me try 2 is the smallest prime factor. That gives me 2 times 65. Can I split that? Like the atom and molecule, prime factors are pretty close to the numbering system. So I go for 5 times 13. And these are the prime factors we can sort of split the number to. 132 can be split to this one, right? So I can see that if I multiply this, that will give me 10 and 13. That combination will amount to, if I put that one as positive, that one as negative, that'll be okay. So x minus 10, x minus 10, x plus 13 equal to 0. Now that will give me the solution. Now solve the equation, which is x equals either 10, that's the mathematical problem solving. Now comes to the real world. Uh, real world. X equals 10 centimeters. Measurement is acceptable, whereas x equals negative 13 should be rejected because that is not possible in the real world. So x is 10 centimeters. If you stop there, you are not going to get marks. So finally, answer the question, which is length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle is 10 plus 2 is 12 centimeters, and the width of the rectangle is 10 plus 1 is 11 centimeters. Now, do I have a little bit of time to write it down, the statement? So finally, answering the question, length of rectangle is 12 centimeter and width is 10 centimeter. So you have to do all those to get excellence kind of grade. And I'm going to stop there and upload the video, and I hope you understand it.